Hey everybody, Jane from Home Right. I want to continue on talking about fan selection topics. So this week I want to talk about the types of fans. So let's get started. There are three main types of fans: centrifugal, axial, and mixed flow fans. Let's start with centrifugal. Centrifugal fans pull air in along the shaft and then turn it 90 degrees and throw it out radially. It looks kind of like this. The air comes in here and then goes out this way. Because of the geometry, they're really good at building pressure. They're perfect for ducted systems with filters, coils, or long runs of ductwork. They're usually more stable and quieter. Let's make a little bit more room. And they have a broad efficiency range. That's why you'll see centrifugal fans in air handling units, exhaust systems with a lot of duct loss, and anywhere you need reliable pressure control. Centrifugal fans can be backward curved, forward curved, radial, airfoil, and a few other types. These describe the blade types, and the different blade shapes are better suited for different applications. Now let's move this over and look at axial fans. These look like propellers. The air goes straight through in line with the shaft. Now they could look like this, which you might see on the wall of a warehouse, or they might look like this, like a tube axial or vane axial fan. These fans move big volumes of air at low to medium static pressures, and they're usually the most compact and cost-effective option. You'll see them used for garage and warehouse exhaust, cooling towers, condenser fans, or anywhere the air path is short and open. Make a little bit of room. They usually rotate faster and are louder than centrifugal fans and don't handle static pressure changes well. If ductwork or filters get added later and the pressure rises, an axial fan performance can drop off quickly. Now let's move this over and look at mixed flow fans. Mixed flow fans are kind of a hybrid between centrifugal and axial fans. So they'll look something like this. They will look similar to a tube axial fan, but there are some differences in the fan blade itself. They have more pressure capability and efficiency than an axial fan, but they're usually smaller and lighter than a centrifugal fan at a given performance point. They're good when space is tight, like in smaller mechanical rooms, vertical duct runs, or in retrofit situations where you need a pressure boost but don't have room for a full centrifugal fan. So let's bring everything back on screen. Each type of fan can hit the same airflows and static pressures for the most part, but with very different efficiency, noise, and cost trade-offs. So when you're selecting a fan, it's just not the CFM at a specific static pressure. You need to think about the system it's going into. I'll cover more topics to consider when selecting a fan in the next few videos. So those are the different types of fans. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, put them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.